And then our son Marty would always say to me, why do you shop so much online? Why don't you go to the store and buy stuff so I don't have to cut up all these boxes?
Yeah. So I'm going to dedicate this video for him. This Paul, I'm going to start cutting boxes up and recycle them. First I turn them over, then I go once that way, then I bring the box around. Then I spin it around. Put that in my pocket. Then I cut it once that way. Then once this way.
So you're kind of pushing the box against you to hold it in place?
Yeah, and I push it to the table. So I do put it like that. For they fit in the trash can good. Then I do a bigger box.
So you're making sure that all the side pieces are open so it's flat?
It's because it grabs the table better. I got doing this because my sons don't like cutting up boxes. I have them do it in the summertime. I guess it's hot, but we got a fan if I get hot. But right now it's probably about 38 degrees, so it feels good out here.
Now, is there anything different you do because this box is a little bigger than the last one?
You'll watch.
Okay.
So you just fold that one over. Like that. And this one right here is longer, so I just cut it.
I see. You kind of have that edge of the cardboard
Under.
catching on the edge of the table.
See-
So you need a table that has
A
this
little bit of
edge.
See, the used to be on the front porch. I had my son bring it down where I can use it, cut the boxes up. That way they don't have to cut the boxes.
Yeah, they used to know every time they came over they were going to have to cut up boxes, right? And then our son Marty would always say to me, why do you shop so much online? Why don't you go to the store and buy stuff so I don't have to cut up all these boxes?
Yeah. So I'm gonna dedicate this video for him. So I'm gonna send it especially just for him on his Facebook.
So he knows you're cutting up the boxes.
Yeah. Yeah, he don't have to do it no more. But he doesn't live here. He lives in Denver, so you don't have to come back and cut boxes when you visit. I should save them all.
That would be a lot of boxes, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we'll break them down, we'll save them all, then he'll have to cut them all. So since it's raining, I'll leave them in here for a while.
Put them in the recycle can after it finishes raining,
Well,
right?
we can try. Let's go over here. We got,
Uh-oh.
I got this trash can, recycling can, real close, so I can just hook it on one of those screws. See how it stays open? So I can throw all those in there. And that's it for today. Thank you very much.